The next method inside of the order class is going to be getOrder. This is where we're going to be applying amendments next. So after the select all from this table, what we're going to do is after the table, we mark it as O for the order, then where ID, and again here we can reinforce the numerical value by simply using int vals function, and then we can remove all these quotes at the end. Now select all, which is all good, but we're going to precede it with the O again because we're populating from the specific table, then comma, date underscore format, and we want to use the order date in a specific format, which will be D, capital M, capital Y for year, and then the time, and we go for S, date formatted. So rather than using PHP to format the date, we simply do it straight from within the MySQL. Then we go for the concat WS. We're going to be concatenating with the space, and we're going for the order first name and order last name, and we're going to call it so as full name. Then we go for the if statement, which will end up as address, and we go for the address underscore 2 doesn't equal blank, then concat underscore WS, and we're going to be concatenating with a comma this time. We go for address underscore 1 address 2. Otherwise, we're only going to be taking address 1. And that's actually, we don't need a comma here. After the address, we do another if condition, and I'm just going to basically copy all this because it's pretty much the same apart from the ship underscore at the beginning. So we're checking the shipping address, and if it's obviously if the shipping address 2 is blank, then we only want shipping address 1, and then we've got shipping address value. Now we're going to do the select statement inside of the brackets as country name. We go for select name from this table 4, which is table countries, where ID equals O country, so order country. And after this, we go for comma. If we scroll down a little bit, a new line, and again, another statement. Actually, let's copy this previous one and put it inside here. Pretty much the same thing. The only thing is ship here because we want to check the shipping country, and the country, rather than country name, it's going to be ship country name. So then we obviously can populate this value generated here by just calling this specific index. Now a few things where it should be O ID, and the same I've missed in a few other places. So if I scroll up a little bit here for the address, and then we're concatenating address 1, 2, and address 1, same here for the address 2, and all these. And I think that's it.